Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to build circle timeline chart in Tableau. So basically this chart helps you to visualize a series of dates on a timeline quickly. So first let me add an order date into column shelf. Click on this drop down and choose month. So from the marks card choose circle. So I'm going to create a dummy measure using the function average. So average of 0. So you can edit these circles, you can change the size and the color of these circles. Now I'm going to drag sales into size and profit into colors. So this is a circle timeline chart. So you can change the color of the circles. Click on the color, click on edit color. So click on OK, and you can also add borders to that circles, or you can change the opacity. And here the size represents the sales and the color represents the profit. You can also format this zero line. So click on this drop down and click on format, then click on this format lines. So in the zero lines you can select the size of zero line, and you can also change the color. This is a circle timeline chart used for quickly visualize series of dates on a timeline. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.